That means I am going to discuss about birds. Birds can fly. They have feathers. They can fly with the help of the wings. There are different kind of birds. Some birds can talk. Uh, that means they are domesticated, like parrot, myna, macaw, and some birds are aquatic. Some aquatic birds are duck, swan, stork. Some bird cannot fly. For example, emu and ostrich. And some birds can fly high in the sky. Some birds have sharp eyesight. For example, eagle. Birds generally eat grains and insects. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world, and bee hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. In next video, I will discuss about some interesting topic. Till then, goodbye.
Thank you for watching the video. To know more about us, click www.stxavierspublicschool.com. If you like our video, then share and subscribe, please. Tata all my friend. I see you again in next video. Bye bye.